What up? It's Vitela, home technology expert. In this video, I'm going to show you two 4K TV installations. One inside of this living room and another one later inside of a bedroom. On top of the cabinet, you could see the Sonos speaker, but it was never connected to the TV, so it only played music. Now, we previously came in and installed this 4K TV with professional hidden wiring, but this time we came back to add a Sonos soundbar speaker that can play the sound from the TV as well as music. Now that's what's up. Nice and professionally done. Now let's check out the bedroom. Inside of the bedroom, we have this 4K TV that is going to go on the wall, but we need it done the home technology expert way with hidden wiring. Now look at that. Nice, clean, close to the wall with professionally hidden wiring. That's how you get things done the home technology expert way. If you want to get something done like this, go to hometechexpert.com and click on schedule a free estimate.